Popular local restaurant that was also damaged has now reopened its doors. The Melody Restaurant, a staple in New Carlisle, had its grand reopening this morning. 2 News reporter Dana Smith is there, joins us now live with more on their big day.
That's right, Mark. I'm right here at the Melody Restaurant in New Carlisle, and as you can see, it is a full house. The dinner rush just started, and every table is full, and there's a lot more people waiting by the host to stand to be seated. It took weeks of repair work and renovations, but the popular eatery is back open for business today.
Oh, yeah, great. Everybody's here. You know, people that haven't been here in a long time are here, so it's been a wonderful experience. I'm really happy everybody's come back. Everybody's happy. It's a good time.
Having been out of work for 33 days, waitress Kara Lawson said she's glad to see the restaurant open and full of customers.
Well, we were the first ones that actually got our orders placed. We weren't the first ones in line, but our orders were the first ones, and I was excited because, like I said, I love their chicken, and actually most of their menu is good. So.
Huber Heights native Deborah Rivera used to dine at Melody at least twice a month before it closed. When she heard it was reopening today, she said she couldn't wait.
Oh yeah, I love the coleslaw, so I couldn't wait to come. So the first day had to be here.
Strong winds caused significant exterior damage to the restaurant last month after tornadoes swept through the area.
You know, when we got here that night, the air conditioner was laying in the parking lot, and surprisingly, we still had power.
General Manager Woody Childers said the storm damage was extensive. In addition to the much-needed repairs, the restaurant also underwent some renovation. But although it took a little longer than anticipated, he said he never doubted it wouldn't get done.
Never did we doubt that we were going to rebuild it, reopen it, and try to make it better than what it was. That was always the goal. We've got this time, let's make it better.
Everybody's really we were all anxious, you know, because being off work for over a month, it's very, you know, you never know how things are going to go, but we're all very excited to see everybody.
Now, the grand reopening was initially slated for Monday, but was pushed back one more day to make sure everything was perfect. They got a fresh coat of paint and some new light fixtures. In fact, construction didn't stop until this morning. Live in New Carlisle, Dana Smith, 2 News, working for you.